Jeff here. This is the SK450. My dad and I built this about 2.5, maybe 3 years ago. Actually, I think it's a little bit longer than that, about 3 years. I haven't flown it for about 2.5 years. Just been busy doing other things. But this is possibly going to be the last flight of the SK450. I'm very much considering tearing this guy down and rebuilding, or not rebuilding, but building another quadcopter called a Deadcat. And Deadcat, similar configuration, but the center, where all the electrics are, it's bigger. I can put more electrics on there. And really, all this is designed to do is just fly and have fun with. But I want to do a little bit more than fly and have fun. I want to put a camera on it and maybe do a little bit of FPV, which is first-person view flying. The front has the yellow propellers. The back has the blue ones. And these are, I believe these are 1100 Turnigy Hobby King motors. It has 4 30 amp ESC from Afro. This is the KK2 board. Is this the KK2 or just a KK? I can't remember. No, I can't remember. I got a KK 2.1.5 inside, and I think that's what I'm going to use on the Deadcat. At any rate, let's get this plugged in. Transmitter's on, and SK450 is chosen. Throttle is down. And let's see here, the battery. All right, there we are. This lipo battery needs to be decommissioned. As I was charging it, I had to monitor it pretty closely. It's getting pretty puffy, and it should be decommissioned. All right, we're going to switch to the GoPro on the ball cap, and we're going to go outside and fly it. Hang on a second. Okay, we're recording. Yep. I've actually forgotten how cool this SK450 is. I got headlights, I got afterburner tail lights. Those things are super bright. I kind of hate to tear this thing down, but I want to improve and make something a little bit better. I have auto level turned on, and all right, I'm going to arm it. Okay, now we are armed. It should say armed on the front of it, and it does. Or not on the front, it says armed right there. Okay, I'm going to stand back a little bit. Hopefully this thing doesn't go straight in the side of the barn. That would make me mad. I'm not sure what that means. Alright, the GoPro just died, so I got to set the camera on a stump and film from over here. It's not going to pick up as much as I want, unfortunately. Okay, the beep we heard earlier was it going back into safe mode because I had it armed. It has a timeout on it. Alright, here we go. We're going armed, we're going to go up. Actually, it's flying pretty good. I got some of the gains set too high. It's oscillating a little bit because I got the gains set too high on one of the settings. But I'm going to go ahead and just go with it. That's pretty cool. Oh, I hate to tear this apart. Wow, it flies really nice. Whoa. Bring it back, bring it back. I took it out of auto level mode and it didn't like it. So we'll just leave it in auto level mode. That's really cool. I'm already getting little battery alarms on it. That lipo is no good. I need to throw it away, and for safety, I will. It's amazing how much wind this thing creates. It's like 25 degrees out here and I'm freezing from the wind. That's the battery alarm. As the voltage goes down, the alarm beep rate increases. And safe. All right, and that concludes the last flight of the SK450. Jeff out.